Hey there, Texans. My name is Austin Butts. I'm a Texas licensed attorney and co-founder of Texan Wills and Trusts.com. This video is a sample of the review we provide to each one of our customers. At Texan Wills and Trusts.com, we want to make this process as fast and easy as possible for our customers. In practice, I have seen a number of online estate plans fail for two big reasons. One, people aren't given good instructions for how to sign the documents, and so they're not executed properly and they fail. And the other is they're not given good instructions for how to actually use the documents. So I am providing video review of this generic version of the Texan estate plan. That way you can see how to use your documents and know exactly how to sign them. So the documents we have in front of us right now, this is a sample financial power of attorney. In Texas, we call that the statutory durable power of attorney. This allows you to name an agent to make financial decisions for you if you're not able to do so. So if you are incapacitated, or you're just in a nursing home, or you're not able to get to the bank, this allows an agent to access your finances and make sure your bills get paid, make sure your tax return is filed, a lot of different things to make sure your financial affairs are taken care of. Right here on the page is where your name will be located. You are the principal, you're the one making the power of attorney. Right here is where your primary agent is listed. If you are married, our system defaults to having your spouse as your primary agent. And then your alternate agents are listed down here. So if you have an agent that passes away, becomes incapacitated, you become divorced from your spouse, then it'll go down the line. The agents serve one at a time in the order you have named them. On page 2, there's a list of specific areas of your finances, and this lets you customize how you want your agent to act. If you want them to be able to help you in any of the areas listed, you don't have to do anything on this page. If you do not want your agent acting in one of these areas, you will need to cross out one of the options and then initial the line that you've drawn. On page 3, we have some different options where you can further customize this document. The special instructions applicable to agent compensation has two options. The first blank, if you place your initials here, it says that you want to pay your agent for the time that they spend acting as your agent. If you don't feel it's necessary to pay them for their time, but you do want to make sure they're reimbursed for any out-of-pocket expenses they have, you can initial the second blank. The next section is special instructions applicable to gifts. If you want your agent to make gifts out of your property while you're still alive, you place your initials on this blank. If you don't feel that's necessary and you want asset distribution to wait until after you've passed away and it goes under your will or your trust, then you can leave this blank. We have some blanks right here where you can further customize this document. If you have additional ways you want to limit or extend your agent's powers, you can write that in here. The next section lets you choose when your agent is allowed to act for you. If you choose option A, they can act for you immediately. If you choose option B, they have to prove you are medically incapacitated by providing a doctor's evaluation letter. To make an election here, you cross out the option you are not choosing. So if you want to choose option A, you cross out all of option B, and then you should initial the line that you have drawn. Page 4 states that the power of attorney terminates upon your passing. It does not operate after you have passed away. There's a place right here to place the date. There's a spot here for you to sign above your name, and the signature should be done before a notary. The last 2 pages of this document, pages 5 and 6, contains important information for your power of attorney agent to have when they take over the role and start acting for you. It explains the powers, the rights, and the duties that they have to act as your agent. So that concludes this review of the financial power of attorney. I hope this is helpful, and I hope that you choose TexanWillsandTrusts.com for your estate planning needs.